Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Misokoo Portable Garment Steamer. You can get this product on Amazon for about $32. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. The steamer is small and lightweight and is very easy to operate with a simple on-off switch. It comes with a travel and storage bag, which is very convenient. Using the steamer is very easy. You just have to fill the tank with cold water, turn the on-off switch to the on position and wait for about 60 seconds. When you are finished with your steaming session, place the on-off switch to the off position and remove the plug from the outlet. I tested the steamer for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It's small and lightweight, very easy to use, and I can use it to remove wrinkles even when I'm on vacation or on a business trip. So if you're looking for a travel size but powerful garment steamer, I would recommend the Misokoo Portable Garment Steamer. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.